when all else fails. Because Western Pennsylvania and rust. Whack. Just tap it out. Okay, and move you over this way. I can kind of see what I'm doing. Start dropping these lower pan molds. You be real careful on these because there's really no good place to pry. And you could damage the mating surface pretty quickly. Let's see what I have. Maybe help with that. There it is. You can see. Yeah, it's a Torx bed. Okay. Looks like everything was lubricated, though. Why did that rod go? So while we're in here, once we figure out the bottom end, we're probably going to do a timing bolt, because this thing supposedly was done. I cannot get 100% verification of that. And the biggest killer of these engines is not bottom end, it's timing. So we're going to have to see what's up here. So I'm going to have to get the belt off, obviously. Get the belt off. That way we can get this AC compressor completely off. That takes care of this on the front. As you can see back here, there's this drop piece that's actually holding the axle. So you take those bolts off, the axle will flop out of the way, and there's 2 or 3 bolts that hold it in place. You have the transmission bolts, which hold the lower half and the upper half, but only the lower half we need. And then there's 5 bolts front, 5 bolts back to drop the... Oh, and this has to drop off, obviously. But I've already sourced parts. I already sourced a rebuild kit. Once I know for sure what I need, if I have to go oversize on the bearings, or if they're going to be stock size, depending on the crank and how it mics and all that stuff. So we'll get back at it. We'll see what we can do and hope for the best here. All right, that is off. Oy vey. Tomorrow, I'm going to get that backside. I'll tell you why it's tomorrow. Because this thing is still dripping out. And I really don't feel like having that drip on my head. So, we got this far today. We can get the backside tomorrow. I have to get my Torx bits, which are in the Mountaineer, because I need Torx bits to take that out. So I get the Torx bits from that. And we'll go from there, I guess. Because, I guess we got a good enough amount done today. I got hockey practice. I got to pick up Jess in a little while from play. So, until tomorrow.